Hello everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on learning our reinforced middle block or Ssong Soo Ma Key.
Ssong Soo Ma Key, sir.
One more time, Ssong Soo Ma Key.
Ssong Soo Ma Key.
Okay, for our load, we're going to bring our chambering hand all the way back and our blocking hand across our body so the elbows make a bunk bed. Very good. And we're going to step out into that thing and twist, bring that block out to a regular middle block, but then the chambering hand, instead of staying chambered, comes forward and reinforces blocking off the body. I like to do a little rhyme called Ssong Soo 1 2. Very good. Reset.
Sir.
With the other side. Load. Step. Ssong Soo 1 2. Very good. And now on the pad from the side. Ready. Load. Ssong Soo 1 2. Really making sure that this is a regular reinforced block. This does not touch, and it's blocking off your body from central attacks. Okay, and that is our reinforced middle block or Ssong Soo Ma Key in Korean. Practice what you learned. Make it rock.